This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have scented gels from Madame Glam. I'm like, pinch me. We're back in the 90s and everything is scratch and sniff. So first up, we have spiced cinnamon, which I could not get over the cinnamon notes. I also love that this gel is scented, but it's not like overpowering where it would make you feel sick. It's just like this really fun added touch, and the moment that it cures, the beautiful smell is gone. But I think aromatic wise, it is so cool that Madame Glam has come out with brand new scented gels. So first up, spiced cinnamon is a gorgeous chestnut. Now all of these are their cream formula, and I did find it really interesting that there is a few other colors that are not a part of this scented collection that actually smell very sweet. But this is the very first time that Madame Glam has marketed any kind of polish that is scented, and I think it is so neat. I become a kid again, and it almost makes me feel like Willy Wonka, where you scratch the wallpaper and it smells and tastes like snozberries. These polishes are good enough to eat, but I would suggest that you don't do that because we don't want any allergies. So next up is sweet chamomile, and I can't get over all of the scents that they chose were very relaxing, and it just adds to that spa experience. And let's just say this sweet chamomile is a bad girl, because look at that gorgeous orange. I could not get over the pumpkin spice feel. Like, this was just absolutely beautiful, and the smell was so darling and relaxing. Definitely makes me want to brew some chamomile tea. This year, Madame Glam has blown me away. Between their new Nourish Care system that includes nourishing balms and cuticle oil sticks, to their brand new chromes, I'm just like freaking out. Their acrylic pens, like they have been coming out with such revolutionary products. The pressed pigment palettes, and then they are still keeping up with a collection a month. So like these are brand new collections and mid launches. There is so many amazing goodies. So I urge you, if you want to try any of these before they sell out, please run on over to madameglam.com. You will not regret it. And now they have scented polishes that just launched today, November 15th. So I think these are so very cool. And just for the novelty of having scented polishes, these are going to sell out. And as well, if you are a nail tech and you are working on clients, you don't have to worry about it being so obnoxiously strong that it's bothering clients. Like, it's just such a lovely scent. Like, they have done such a great job of not making it overpowering, but adding these beautiful notes. And each name is inspired by the scent. I just love that. So next up, we have I'm making a new one. Eucalyptus Breeze. And let me tell you, this one was my favorite. The moment I began swatching it, I just felt this calm go over me. It is such a beautiful scent. And again, like, I am just losing it. When Karina, like my representative for Madame Glam, reached out to me about these, I like had to type to her again. I'm like, scented? Like, you're for real coming out with a scented collection? So if you guys like this, they're definitely going to be doing more of these with different smells. And I just think, like, I almost want to say flavors because they're so delicious. But this is such a cool idea. And again, I feel like a teenager again. And it's just like so exciting. It's like little things like this that just, I don't know, it brings that scent memory. Again, like when I was working in gerontology with the elders, aromatherapy and scent therapy was so huge to evoke memories and all sorts. So I think that this is a phenomenal idea for a collection. And not only are these creams so gorgeous, but they are perfect for fall going in to the holiday season. We've got red notes and greens and oranges that look as good as Olaf's nose. Like we've got the carrot stick action. And then last but not least is rosemary embrace, which is so delicate, so yummy. And this is a gray. This gray is so gorgeous. I have nothing like it in my Madame Glam collection, and I absolutely adore. Like, I'm going to show you shortly. I'm going to do a quick demo where I do a nailed it using all of these colors in one look. And I could not get over this icy gray. It is so versatile. I get to show it to you in both matte and glossy, baby. But it truly shines in both. It is such a beautiful gray, and I'm so happy to be able to include this in my collection because now I'm going to be able to do even more nail art because this, it's like I don't even have to mix a customized color. Like, this is a perfect gray. And it's scented. Like, how cool is that? Oh my gosh, I can't get over. Like, this was one of the most fun swatch parties I've ever had because to this day, like, I've had accidental polishes that like smell like things, but I've never seen a scented marketed collection. So Madame Glam, I tip my cap to you. This was a great idea, and it just gets that like excitement going, you know? Every single one of their collections are so fun, but this was such a great idea. With the holiday literally right around the corner, as soon as I looked at this color story, I felt like a chill and as if I had my hot cocoa and I could picture this entire winter scene. So I thought, you know what? No better way to test out these amazing gels, which their performance was chef's kiss. Like the additives, whatever they include ingredient wise to make the polish scented, does not affect the quality. Like it is absolutely beautiful. So I was thinking I wanted to do a winter scene and have a hanging lights. Like as if we're just looking on a porch and you've got that frosted snow and it's just all of the baby, it's cold outside. So with this color story in mind, which is literally like 'twas the night before Christmas, like I love even the two dark, like the more burgundy and the green reminds me of sweaters as well. So I just wanted to dive first into this beautiful set. So I do grab a couple of my other Madame Glam goodies because I did want to do like a frosted outline, like an aura almost, where it looks like a cracked ice effect. And then the beautiful colors that we unboxed today are going to be the lights. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the demo using these gorgeous brand new polishes that have launched today. And I will be back towards the end. But we are going to put the music on and please do your nails with me. And I'd be amiss to say, anybody that is new to this channel, first of all, hello, welcome to the Nail family. Please subscribe on your way out so you can keep getting beautiful content and being a part of the Nail family, of course. But I wanted to let you guys know that I actually used the VIP shipper box, and Mama Does Nails showed an amazing tutorial where you could rip the foam and use that as a sponge. So I'm actually using the Madame Glam box to create this snow effect, y'all. So we are crafty around here. You can get salon quality results using things you have at home. It's so amazing. You just have to have good products. And that's why I adore Madame Glam, because it leaves you with a salon finish every time. Oh, Okay, I'm going to put that music on and I'll be back towards the end, but I hope you enjoy this demo using the brand new scented gels.
Can't wait for Christmas and the lights on the Christmas tree. Yeah, Rudolph knows with his big red nose he's keeping Santa company. I can't wait for Christmas. I feel the magic in the air. It's the greatest time and it's yours and mine. You can see it everywhere. It's the time of year that people come together. It's the time of year that everything's alright. Time for Christmas films and songs, so everybody sing along. Lots of food and drink and parties running on into the night. I can't wait for Christmas and the lights on the Christmas tree. Yeah, Rudolph knows with his big red nose he's keeping Santa company. I can't wait for Christmas. I feel the magic in the air. It's the greatest time and it's yours and mine. You can see it everywhere. There's a miracle that happens in December. There's a miracle that happens once a year. Time for family and friends and all the money that you spend. But don't you worry, 'cause at Christmas all your troubles disappear. I can't wait for Christmas and the lights on the Christmas tree. Yeah, Rudolph knows with his big red nose he's keeping Santa company. I can't wait for Christmas. I feel the magic in the air. It's the greatest time and it's yours and mine. You can see it everywhere.
Have it. You can have a stunning winter design in 3, 2, 1. It does not take much faffing, just amazing products. And I love how this color story comes together. That nail is with all 4 brand new scented gels. Thank you so much, Karina, for sending out this surprise package. I think this idea is so cool, and I hope you come out with so many more scents. And if anybody is inspired to try these, please comment down below. And don't forget that all the information is in the description box below, including discount codes. Thank you again for coming into another video. You always make it so special, and I can't wait to talk to you in the comments and to see and hear what you think. I am sending you so much love, and make sure you leave those bells on, because I'm going to be back. Sending all the love. Thank you for watching.